Welcome to Rio Real Estate Project The Ranch. We're here to help you. We just sold this ranch and we're going to help build a little casita here for the people and an RV park. So come along with us while we build it. This is where we're starting off. Beautiful Mulegé, the river. The property is just a little bit farther from here. So we're going to fix up this bathroom for guests to stay at and use for the RV park. A cabana right there. We stuccoed the walls, tear it all down. We're gonna fix this up. We just got 40 square meters of tile to redecorate the whole bathroom and shower. We're gonna have an indoor shower and 2 outdoor showers, 2 toilets and a urinal, all retiled up 4 feet and painted. So this is what we're starting off with from the basics. Here we are shopping for the materials we need. We got a great deal on the toilets. There's 1 ton of tile, 40 meters of tile, and the grout. The toilets, there we go. That's what we're going to install in the next week. So watch our videos for more to come. This is the beginning, day 2. We made the material list, ordered everything, unloaded it. We're going to redo the kitchen, the outdoor kitchen with the tile, the indoor bathroom, and 2 outdoor showers. There's a pool, nice trees. We're going to have an outdoor communal work area, an RV park on the other side of that fence right there for 10 RV spots. The agave is blooming. They already started doing the stucco coat on the outside. So if you're looking for real estate in the Mulegé or Baja Sur area, contact Rio Real Estate at riorealestate.com.mx or look for the link down below. Beautiful, tranquil ranch land. Cement and gravel. There's 1 layer of the cement coat to smooth everything out. Doesn't look so good right now, but wait till you see when it's done. So this will be the men's bathroom, and the other one will be the women's bathroom. There'll be a urinal and a toilet there. So this is just the beginning. We're going to build a bungalow right here. A 15 by 15 bungalow with a patio on top and bathroom. Over there on the other side of the orange trees, we're planning on building an art studio. And and then a house for the owners back in here, and possibly a few more bungalows. So we have ranch land, beach property, mountain views, ocean views. Just contact us at Rio Real Estate. We'll get you the best property. We have lots of off-listing properties that are available only through Rio Real Estate. We have our own notaries that get the fideicomisos done in within 5 weeks usually. We just started a new 24 site development on the beach. So if you're interested in purchasing a lot on the beach or overlooking the beach, let us know at info@riorealestate.com.mx. This is a beautiful property for the retreat that the people are building. We're putting a new palapa on the pool and fixing up the pool. These trees to the left are called Benjamina trees. I know that because my name is Benjamin.